Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host. So let's start the video. In this video, we are going to learn that whether we can order two rides at the same time in the Uber app. So let's open it, letting it load, and here you can see the basic user interface. Now, if you know how to book a ride, just click on the search bar and set a particular way. Where do you want to go? I want to go Ayanso. Now click on Ayanso, let it load. It will show the available cabs in the area, and if I want to select, I will select Go Rentals 5 minutes away. Okay, now here what I'll do, I'll confirm Go Rentals and confirm pickup. Then it will charge me particular amount of how much I want to take and how much it will go. Confirm on Go Rentals, it will confirm my trip. After that, what happens that right now only one. Okay, just let me cancel it. Otherwise the driver will kill me, I guess. So yeah, what will happen that right now Uber does not have a built-in feature to order multiple rides simultaneously. You have to complete a ride once you complete it, then you can order the next one. You cannot order multiple cabs at once because it leads to uh, customer issues and driver issues. So what people used to do is that they used to call the driver, and the driver loses money because the people are doing these types of pranks. So what I want you to do is, if you want to order two cabs, you can use your friend's phone or you can use someone's other phone to order two cabs at one time. If you are going out with your family and you want an two Ubers, you have a big family, just order an Uber from the another app at the same time, and they both will come and they will take you out. So this is how you basically order two rides. It's not available in once from the one app, it's available in the two apps from another phone. So this was it for the video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.